The idea behind Riskseer is pretty simple. Most operational systems are good at detecting events, but much worse at determining whether the assumptions behind a decision are still true. Riskseer is a case-first decision integrity layer. It sits above sources like sensors, tickets, field records, and prior activity, then asks whether the next action should still be supported. Let's go down. The public demo that I created uses a fictional excavation corridor. Riskseer has an active 811 ticket, the blue box, defining where and when work is expected. The first detection occurs inside that area, so the available evidence still supports excavation. A second detection appears outside the ticket boundary. Individually, both signals just look like excavation to any sensors. Riskseer connects them to the same continuing case, compares their context, recognizes that work may have moved beyond what the ticket supports. This is what makes Riskseer different from a normal alert dashboard. It's not simply asking which event is the loudest, it is asking what changed, what evidence supports the current activity, what's being inferred or assumed, and whether continuing is still defensible. In this case, the ticket is valid and the timing is expected, but the location no longer aligns. Riskseer changes the response posture from monitoring to verification before proceeding. So the actual engine behind this maintains stable case identity and keeps observed, derived, inferred, and assumed evidence separate. From that structured evidence, the deterministic backend owns the decision state, urgency, and response posture. The public trace shows the output contract without exposing production rules, internal thresholds, or prioritization code. The second scenario shows that Riskseer could extend into temporary security. Instead of comparing activity like an 811 ticket, it compares an event with site schedules and monitor areas, then coordinates camera verification with other sensors, and it records the operator decisions. Riskseer existed as an early engine before Build Week. During the event, I did use Codex to strengthen the implementation, add tests, and the investigator path. I also used it to rebuild the interface and deploy this actual public demonstration. Riskseer is not supposed to be another source of alerts. It's a layer that checks whether operational decisions are still supported, and it'll tell you exactly why.